lazy way to the party. Backpack girl, back flag in my view. Take my turn at the tap in the backyard. This bud's made for a rendezvous. And oh, she's tired too. Short and sleek and bouncy in the seat, with a rack strapped on to the handlebars. She could better push me up good love street. She could handbrake my on the way home. But oh, she's tired too. Do you think she rides that thing to school? Turn your focus was well made, so my pick up that head, won't play away. Cause it's looking like we're caught there in the rain. She's got a bicycle and I got a truck. She's got a bicycle and I got a truck. My first time on a 100-mile track, there's 2 beers underneath an Indiana. She tells me she's never been to Mexico. Oh, I can go that now, but I'm out that girl who ride. How'd you guess she's likely to decide? Oh, when I tell her we could leave your back on touch, and leave that bush beside my truck. We could load it up and take a ride. She's got a bicycle and I got a truck.